Yes, inflation is going down, but the Fed keeps stating that they'll be raising interest rates. My theory is that, they have no choice but to talk hawkish to us, meaning they have no choice but to say, we're going to continue to raise interest rates. Inflation is too high. We cannot stop until inflation comes down to 2% on average. They can't stop talking like this because if they do, then the market's going to skyrocket. Everybody's going to go crazy again. Everybody's going to start buying assets. People are going to start spending more. People are going to start anticipating the pivot. And when people start anticipating the pivot, the market's going to skyrocket and everybody's going to start feeling richer again. And when you feel richer again, you go spending more than you make and you go spend more than you have to. I anticipate them to cut rates in 2023. I don't think they should be raising interest rates anymore because, man, why not rest? Why not wait and see what all these interest rates are going to be doing to the economy in the next 6 to 12 months? Why not just wait, Jerome Powell, and see what effect your changes have on the markets and on the economy? Everybody, just my 2 cents. It's worth what you pay for it, which is nothing. So everybody, jumping into 2 companies that I bought today. I picked up 2 new positions in the portfolio today. Everybody, introducing Taiwan Semiconductor. So I've been looking at this company for a while now. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, pretty much provides the world's chips. So they pretty much provide chips to Apple, NVIDIA, AMD. Pretty much the platform, they provide the platform for the chip. And then the chip designers provide their proprietary chip technology on that platform. And then they, can provide them to us in the forms of CPUs, GPUs, iPhones, Macs, etc. So that's why I say TSM, they provide the world's chips. However, one risk is very apparent, and that is the China risk. So China keeps saying that they want to take over Taiwan. They want to take over Taiwan prematurely. But something amazing just happened in the last month where Taiwan Semiconductor opened their own factory in Arizona. So them opening up a plant in Arizona lowers that China risk, in my opinion. So I want to be a buyer. And also adding to Taiwan Semiconductor being such a large partner of Apple, you're pretty much buying more of the Apple ecosystem, which I want to own as much as I can of. Moving on to another company that I added to my portfolio, that is Blackstone. So I am re-entering this position. I sold it above $100 a share and now it is at $73. So Blackstone is one of the world's largest alternative asset managers. And they've been in the news recently due to their B-REIT, their private real estate investment fund, having mass redemptions and having to stop those redemptions because people are trying to get out of the fund. And this news is in the headlines and it has tanked the stock. And I want to be an owner of this company long term. Blackstone is a dividend king and they yield above 5%. Everybody did some buying because we are getting hammered in the markets recently. So it doesn't look like Santa's coming to town. I'm going to have a great Christmas next week. Nonetheless, I hope you do too. But Santa Claus in the stock market, he's taking a break. Or maybe, Santa Claus in the world is too busy to come help us over here on the stock market. Who cares? I'm a long-term investor. These are gifts in the short term. And in the long term, we will all benefit. So everybody jumping into my buys. I added some AMD, DLR, Qualcomm, Tesla, Blackstone, Taiwan Semiconductor, and Google. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later.